Welcome back to Delicious Cravings. Today, I have an easy breakfast recipe idea for you to try at home. Not only it is pleasing to the eyes, but it's also incredibly delicious. Introducing the hotdog omelette. In this recipe, you only need to slice 2 hot dogs into small pieces. You can cut them into rounds or dice them depending on your preference. Crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them well with a fork or whisk until they are fully combined. Of course, season this with salt and pepper to taste. The vibrant combination of yellow, red, and green makes this dish as visually appealing as it is tasty. Your kids will surely love this. Now, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a small amount of butter. Pour the beaten eggs and then add the sliced hot dogs to the pan and cook them until they are lightly browned. Next thing to do is just sprinkle the finely chopped spring onion over the eggs and hot dogs in the pan. Just allow the eggs to cook undisturbed for a minute or two until the bottom starts to set. Use a spatula to gently lift the edges of the omelette and tilt the pan to let any uncooked eggs flow to the bottom. Now slide the omelette onto a plate and serve hot. You can garnish with additional spring onion if desired. Enjoy your delicious hot dog omelette with spring onion. Just feel free to serve it with rice, toast, or a side salad for a complete meal. And that wraps up today's recipe here at Delicious Cravings. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, it's all about spreading love and happiness through food. This is Delicious Cravings again, saying no hate, just love. Happy cooking!